Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Insperity Workforce Optimization Review My Usage Experience. Insperity Workforce Optimization Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive analysis of your workforce's efficiency and identifies areas for improvement. It's aimed at HR managers and business owners looking to streamline operations and optimize employee performance. Key features likely include data analysis, reporting tools, and potentially suggestions for improved processes. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. Their website emphasizes cost savings through increased efficiency. They highlight ease of use and claim a transparent pricing structure, though specific details aren't readily available without contacting them directly. They likely utilize data analytics to assess current workforce practices. Availability is likely limited to businesses that subscribe to their services, so you would need to contact Insperity directly to check. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Insperity Workforce Optimization Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was relatively straightforward. After a brief onboarding call with their team, I received login credentials and access to the platform. The interface itself is clean and intuitive, though it did take me a few days to fully grasp all the dashboard functionalities. I found the reporting tools especially useful. The customizable dashboards allowed me to generate reports on employee productivity, absenteeism, and turnover rates. The quality of the data analysis was excellent, pinpointing key areas where we could improve efficiency. I was particularly impressed by their insights into project management and resource allocation. I had a quick question about interpreting a specific metric, and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, providing a detailed and helpful explanation. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, making access slightly less convenient on the go. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Insperity Workforce Optimization Review. It provided valuable insights that have already helped us identify several areas for improvement and ultimately enhance team efficiency. That's my overview of Insperity Workforce Optimization Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.